Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and before I start with my unboxing video today, let's sit back and really just enjoy the weather now. Today is the 13th of January and for the first time I actually slept without the air conditioner on. It's 22 degrees and the temperature probably dropped to about maybe 20, maybe 21. And now at around 2:30, it's still so cool. It's amazing. And for those of you watching this video, if you're not from Singapore, we actually have a constant 25, 26, 27, 28 degrees all year round, and because of the monsoon period, the temperatures have actually dropped to about 22. And everyone in Singapore is just so amazed at the weather. Even I'm so amazed. We wish it will be like this forever. While the good weather is here, you know, everyone's like, you know, wearing their hoodies and man, everyone's just enjoying it. So cheers to Singapore weather now. Let's start with the unboxing video. So today I am unboxing the Boundary Land Water Rock. So I know there are some unboxing videos already done for this backpack. The only reason why I'm doing this now is because I bought a whole bunch of options. I didn't just get the bag, I actually bought like almost all the add-ons. It's rare that I buy backpacks from a Kickstarter project, but this is the one backpack that really did impress me. These are the additional stuff I got. You know, it comes with all these Ziploc, this kind of seals of Ziploc, sorry. So this is the thermal insert. So if I want to go, this comes with thermal insert. Okay, let's just look at the branding's all there. So if you got anything cool, you could store it inside here and it would actually keep it really cold. If a zipper is properly made, I pay attention to all these little details like the zippers. And this is the EXM port that I got as well. Oh yes, you can. So you can just, it's all magnetic, you know, it slots in and slots out in this manner. Can you see it? Just like that. Okay, I got this additional as well. Let's set this aside. Oh! Before I throw this away by mistake, I got the keychain ring as well. Okay. I got the stone grey version. Initially I wanted the brown, but my wife was telling me that this color suits me a little bit better. So that's how I ended up getting this color instead. Oh man, wow, okay. So they actually wrap this, the buckles. Let me just remove the buckles. Be very careful not to scratch it. The buckle is actually very easy to remove. Just pull this up. Damn. Okay, I really like this latching system. It's really very cool. And probably the first time that I've seen a backpack with a latching system like this. Ooh. You can almost just boom, like this. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, let's look at the zippers. Okay, YKK. Now, if you need a name you can trust in zippers. Whenever you see YKK, you know for sure that these zippers are gonna last a long time. And as you can see here, this is what I mean about zipper details. Okay, it's waterproof that way. Okay, let's just pull it down. Okay, you've got this thing inside that you can put all your camera gear. And you can actually access it in this manner, and that's where you put your camera gear. This insert is removable, so everything is very built so nicely. I'm really liking it, all the details and everything. You know what, Boundary, it was worth the wait, and I'm sorry I was so impatient, but you know how these things are. You know, when you kind of get the idea that you might receive it before Christmas. It's all good. It's all good. Okay, what else? Okay, I got that folder thingy. So, yep, there we go. This is the folder where you can slot your 15-inch MacBook. Oh, sorry, your 13-inch MacBook. This would fit the MacBook nicely. Your pen holder is here as well. Stone gray. It's very nice. Liking this. It's RFID secure, so if you're one of those people who's extremely paranoid about getting your credit card swiped, you know, using an electronic reader or some kind of RFID phishing device, you could leave those inside the slot. I like reading stuff like that. So I'll tell you what other things I like reading, okay? Stain-proof, waterproof, durable, 9-wool, breathable. Okay, so those are the guarantees of the Prima system. Okay, I'm looking at the straps. Again, it's got this, yeah, they call it the 9-wool right here. I'm doing this with enough sunlight to give you guys hopefully a better idea of what the padding is like here. Okay, again this is a magnetic enclosure. I'm really liking how they really make use of all these magnets. Now, I'm pretty sure they didn't mention this, but whenever I see straps with all these tiny little loops inside, I would think of other auxiliary little bags that I could attach onto the straps, and I think it's very functional that way. I like that there's this little holder here, and it seems to be very well built, very durable. Okay, let's see now if I'm gonna be zipping this up. Zip this. No, doesn't look like I need a lot of adjustments. What do you think? Nice. Do you guys like it? What do you think? Sorry, I'm not gonna give this away. I actually waited 2 years for this bag, so yeah. Not bad, eh? Okay, now to check if I actually received everything. So what was optional is I got the... Okay, oh my god. They didn't ship my t-shirt. So I ordered... Yeah, I need to just double confirm in my backer kit about what I ordered. So anyway, I have a whole bunch of stuff missing from this particular shipment, but I'm not really bothered. I'm just gonna send Boundary Supply a separate email asking them, you know, what happened with the other items. I'm sure they would just send it out as soon as they clear all the backlog. I believe they are frantically trying to fulfill all the outstanding orders right now. So to conclude, I really like the design. I don't think it's as disappointed, but the bag is really on the heavier side. It's actually quite heavy on its own if you compare it with Think Tank, which I carry all the time. It's got internal compartments, and the padding is also very strong or very comfortable on the Think Tank as well. The internal compartments really helps you with the organizing of all your camera gear that you need to bring along for all your overseas trips. This one is really a bag that can pack everything that you want inside. It's got a little compartment for your camera, and you've got this huge compartment in the middle where you can slot all sorts of stuff inside, clothes, and yeah, pretty much everything. So if you need a one bag that you can bring along for all your adventures, I will highly recommend the Boundary Supply. So that's the end of another video, and if you like it, please give me a thumbs up, and until the next video, you guys ride safe, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye. So yeah, that basically concludes the